from the shadows of unforgettable performances. Rises once again a voice that echoes with power and soul, Jazara Ungwe, the clone of the Asia's singing champion herself, Dulcie. Her return is not just a comeback, but it is a statement, a reminder that true talent never fades. Every note she sings, every emotion she pours, is a testament to her strength, her passion, her artistry. Tonight, the stage will tremble, as Jazara Ungwe proves why she is and will always be a force in the clones, Ka, voice of the star.